The traditional 70-20-10 model has been a cornerstone of workplace learning for decades. This model suggests that 70% of learning comes from on-the-job experience, 20% from social interaction, and 10% from formal training. However, the rapid evolution of technology and changing work dynamics have rendered it outdated. The rigid percentages fail to account for unique learning styles and undervalue formal training, especially in regulated industries. Moreover, the model struggles to keep pace with technological advancements like virtual reality and micro-learning platforms. In today's data-driven world, it lacks a robust framework for measuring the impact of learning initiatives. In response to the limitations of the 70-20-10 model, which has been widely used but often falls short in practical application, Dr. Jonathan H. Westover proposes a new paradigm that aims to bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical skills, the 3-to-1 experiential learning model. This innovative approach is designed to enhance learning outcomes by emphasizing real-world application. This model posits that for every 1 hour of formal training, which includes traditional classroom instruction or online courses, employees should engage in 3 hours of applied hands-on experience. This hands-on experience can take many forms, such as project-based work, simulations, or real-time problem-solving. Grounded in David Kolb's experiential learning theory, it emphasizes concrete experience, reflective observation, abstract conceptualization, and active experimentation. These 4 stages ensure a comprehensive learning cycle. Research shows that experiential learning leads to higher knowledge retention, increased motivation, and improved real-world application. Learners are more likely to remember and apply what they've learned when they actively engage with the material. By prioritizing practical application and leveraging technology, such as virtual reality and interactive tools, the 3-to-1 model fosters deeper understanding and critical thinking. It encourages employees to think on their feet and adapt to new challenges. It is a practical and adaptable approach that can be tailored to different industries and organizations. Whether in healthcare, technology, or education, this model can be customized to meet specific needs. In the following sections, we will explore how this model can be implemented in real-world settings. Using industry-specific examples, we will delve into the practicalities of adopting this model. We will illustrate its versatility and effectiveness. Stay tuned to discover how the 3-to-1 model can transform your organization's learning and development strategy. Experiential learning is a powerful approach proven to deliver tangible results. Unlike traditional passive methods, it actively engages learners, leading to deeper understanding and improved retention. This active engagement fosters higher motivation and a more productive learning experience. Experiential learning also promotes critical thinking and problem-solving skills essential for today's workplace. The 3-to-1 model shifts the focus from passive absorption to active participation, empowering employees to become more effective learners. This approach makes employees more valuable contributors to organizational success. Section 4. Bringing 3-to-1 to life industry examples. The 3-to-1 model's strength lies in its adaptability to various industries. It can be customized to fit the unique needs and challenges of different sectors, making it a versatile tool for training and development. Oil and gas. Imagine a 1-hour classroom session on safety protocols where workers learn the essential guidelines and procedures. This is followed by 3 hours of immersive simulator training and mentored equipment operation, providing hands-on experience in a controlled environment. Pharmaceutical sales. A 1-hour product webinar introduces sales representatives to new products and their features. This is followed by 3 hours of shadowing experienced sales reps and engaging in virtual reality simulations, allowing them to practice their sales techniques. Healthcare, a 1-hour CPR course teaches the basics of life-saving techniques. This is followed by 3 hours of high-fidelity mannequin training and augmented reality applications, enhancing their practical skills in emergency situations. These examples show how the 3-to-1 model can be tailored to meet specific industry needs, ensuring that training is relevant and effective. By combining formal training with practical application, organizations create a more effective learning environment. This blend of theory and practice helps reinforce learning and improve retention. This empowers employees to develop the skills they need to excel in their roles, leading to increased confidence and competence. The model's adaptability ensures it can be implemented across various sectors, from manufacturing to healthcare and beyond. This approach leads to a more engaged and skilled workforce, ultimately driving organizational success and growth. Section 5, Technology, the engine of experiential learning. Technology amplifies the effectiveness of the 3-to-1 model. Virtual reality and augmented reality transform experiential learning by providing safe, controlled environments for skill practice. Micro-learning platforms offer bite-sized content accessible anytime, reinforcing key concepts. Collaboration tools foster peer-to-peer learning and community building. Imagine a maintenance technician using AR glasses for real-time guidance, or a sales team reviewing flashcards on new products. These technological advancements create a dynamic learning environment. They empower employees to take ownership of their development. Embracing technology ensures employees reach their full potential. Section 6, Transitioning to the 3-to-1 model, a practical guide. Transitioning requires careful planning and execution. It's not just about changing methods, but also about changing mindsets. Here's a practical guide to navigate this shift effectively and efficiently. 1. Assess current learning activities. Analyze existing programs to identify shortcomings and opportunities for experiential learning. This will help in understanding what needs to be improved. 2. Involve learners in the redesign process. Solicit feedback to understand learning preferences and foster buy-in. This ensures that the new model is well received and effective. 3. Utilize technology strategically. Pilot VR and AR simulations, micro-learning platforms, and collaboration tools. These technologies can enhance the learning experience significantly. 4. Develop experiential activities with clear objectives. Create relevant hands-on experiences with clear objectives and measurement metrics. This helps in tracking progress and effectiveness. 5. Pilot and refine new programs. Start with a small-scale pilot, gather feedback, and scale gradually. This approach minimizes risks and allows for adjustments. 6. Communicate the vision and benefits. Articulate the rationale and benefits, provide updates, and celebrate successes. Keeping everyone informed and motivated is key to a smooth transition. Section 7, Shaping the Future of Workplace Learning. The 3-to-1 model represents a paradigm shift towards active, engaging, and experience-driven learning. It emphasizes the role of technology and tailors programs to individual needs and preferences. By embracing this model, organizations create a culture of continuous learning, leading to increased engagement and improved performance. This approach ensures employees have the skills to succeed in a rapidly changing world and thrive in their careers.